Hello YouTubers, Dino is back. Welcome. I think it's 1st December 2017. Today I decided to do some vlogs. First I was thinking which language would I use. Would I use Slovenian, Serbo-Croatian or English? As you know, I live in Slovenia. My parents are from Bosnia and English is not my primary language. But as you know, if you are on YouTube or on Twitch or Twitter, whatever, the universal language is English. And it's really hard for us because, especially for me, because, I would like to express myself so hard and so much, but I can't because my vocabulary is not so big and great in English, slang especially. And because I live in the area where, we speak Slovenian or Serbo-Croatian, and people kind of don't like that. I mean, they're used to their own language. Especially me, because I did some vlogs before in the past. I was ranting about politics and about relationships and everything else. And I was thinking, because I got no job, if I'm honest. I got no job. I don't want to have a job. Job in the sense that I'm working for somebody else in some kind of factory, I don't know. I kind of want to be my own boss. That's why I decided like 3 years ago to do the Twitch. You know that I stream on a Twitch and everything. And at the beginning I started speaking my own language. But I figured out that if I'm going to speak in my language, I will kind of limit myself. I will limit myself with the area where I live. Slovenia, Slovenia has only 2 million people. And the Balkan maybe like 10, 15 million. I don't know exactly. So I decided to speak English. And the problem is that most of the people who speak English, I mean, watch Twitch, are from US. I mean, Europe watches Twitch too, but not so much. And especially the time zone. Time zone is different. Whenever I start streaming, it's morning for US, or when people come from home in US, it's like middle of the night here or morning. And I can't stream at night. I'm just the guy who can't stream at night. I never could. Maybe that's from my mother's side. She was always like a 10 in the bed, and when I was a kid, me too. I can like watch TV or be on internet until 1 in the morning, but I can't like Twitch, especially not with that high energy level which I usually stream. And I forgot a little bit what I want to say, but so I'm speaking about the language. So I decided I'm going to speak in English. But the problem here is that a lot of people, I realized, don't like that I speak English. They just don't like it. Especially me, when I kind of showed myself to internet. When you expose yourself, you have to get ready to be attacked. To be judged, to be pointed with fingers. And I realized last couple of months or a year, people are bashing me because I don't speak Slovenian or Serbo-Croatian, and I don't understand why, because on my channel, it's my channel, my rules. I decide with my life what I'm gonna do. So if I decide I'll speak English, I'll speak English for whatever reasons are there. So, if you wanna speak in Croatian, Serbian or Slovenian, you do your own channel and you do your own rules. So this message is for all people who don't understand rules. I am 37 years old. I am not a kid. I'm a grown man, and I experienced a lot of things, good and bad, in my life. So I know somehow how the life works. And I am the creator of my life. And nobody will tell me what am I gonna do. If you understand me. There is nobody, because I am Dino, aka Dinotti. And I decide what's gonna be with my life. So for example, on my Twitch channel, yesterday I had people from Serbia. they kind of asked me why don't I speak Srpski. And I said that I don't speak Srpski, I speak Bosanski, that's Bosnian language, which is almost the same, like Serbo-Croatian, you know. And they were kind of irritated by that. And I told them, please speak English on my stream, because I don't want to limit myself to Balkan. And stupid people can't understand that. They just can't understand some things in the life. There are rules. And then they start speak bullshit, they start to accusing you until they show their real life, side, face, and they start cursing on you. They start speaking bad things about you. But you know, thanks God, it's my stream, my rules, and I can ban whoever I want. I can ban whoever I want. You know, so I banned yesterday one guy who made 10 profiles. He called a couple of his friends, and they were bashing me and speaking bullshit. But thanks God, I got so many good mods. Thank you, Big Daddy Hoff and Smotana. They did that. They cleared the chat very fast. You know, and those haters just couldn't get that joy. You know, you can't put me down, guys. You can't put me down. Only I can put myself down. And I decided I will stream in English as long as I can. And I'm very happy that I started streaming English, because my English improved so much that I'm speaking, you see, very fluently. Everybody's gonna judge me. Oh, you got that accent. You sound like Russian. Doesn't matter. People can understand me. They can understand me. That's the most important thing in my life. I can communicate with people all around the world. Fuck Slovenian language. Fuck Serbo-Croatian language. If you want to expand your limits, it's fine if you decide streaming, YouTubing, doing your life in Slovenian or Serbo-Croatian. But that's your life. Leave me out of that. It's your life. So my life, my decisions. So I'm calling everyone here outside who is watching this vlog, you know, to come on my stream if you want. To have fun with me if you want. If you don't wanna, you can stay out of my stream. And I don't care about other streamers. I don't care. I had so many disappointments in my life, and I survived them all. And I will survive these tough times too. Maybe it's gonna end sooner, maybe it's gonna end later, but I will survive. I'm here. Thanks God I got my loyal family. I got my loyal family, which are grown-ups, which are not kids, which understand, which loves me, loves my work, and we fulfill each other. So this was just a little vlog, 8 minutes, you know, and I'm thinking about to make like daily vlogs, maybe like every morning what was happening yesterday, or what I'm gonna do today, just to keep in touch with the people. Thank you very much for watching that, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, hit the link under the description, Twitch, come, have fun, enjoy.